You are trying to export your video in CapCut PC Pro feature. Keep watching this video. First, make sure your video editing completed cut, music, effect and everything. You see, it's Pro feature, so you need to back to edit. Select all footage and right-click to select compound click. Go to Video tab. Find and click Motion Blur and drag it to 0. Waiting for processing complete. Select Compound Clip again and right-click and select Pre-Compound Click. Waiting until processing complete. And then go to Start menu and right-click and select to run and type %app.a% and press Enter. Go to Data. This is our project. Drag it to the timeline. Now you can export it as normal.